So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing regarding the Indian price tag of the upcoming iPhones. So guys, before coming to the price tags of the upcoming iPhones, I want to make couple of things clear. First of all, the iPhone 12 and 12 Max will come with a 4G lineup and a 5G lineup, and there are 3 storage variants with all of the 4 iPhones. So guys, Apple is going to be conducting their official event on 8th of September in which they are going to be launching all of the 4 iPhones, but the shipments of all of these iPhones will be delayed approximately 1 month. Well guys, take example of the 4G variants. It will be made available around 1st or 2nd week of October. And guys, the 5G variants will be made available later this October, or they might even come in the month of November. But guys, if you are planning to buy the 4G LTE only versions, then those will be available around 1st or 2nd week of October. So guys, now let us start with the price tags of the iPhone 12 4G variant. The 64GB capacity will be available for $599 and 61,000 rupees. The 128GB variant will be for $650 and 66,000 Indian rupees, and the 512GB variant will be for $749 and 77,000 rupees. Now let me talk regarding the 5G lineup. Well guys, 64GB iPhone 12 in 5G will cost $699 or 72,000 rupees. The 128GB variant will be for $750 or 77,000 rupees, and the 512GB variant will be for $850 or 87,000 rupees. Now let me discuss regarding the iPhone 12 Max 4G edition. Well guys, the 64GB base model is going to be for $699 or 72,000 rupees. The 128GB variant is going to be for $749 or 77,000 rupees. And the 512GB variant is going to be for $849 or 87,000 rupees. Now let me discuss regarding the 5G model. Well guys, the 64GB variant is going to be for $799 or 82,000 rupees. The 128GB variant is going to be for $849 or 87,000 rupees, and the 512GB variant is going to be for $949 or 98,000 rupees. Now let me discuss regarding the iPhone 12 Pro. Well guys, the 128GB base model is going to be for $1,049, or in India around 1,08,000 rupees. The 256GB model is going to be for $1,149 or 1,18,000 rupees. And the 512GB variant is for $1,349 or 1,39,000 rupees. Now let me talk about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well guys, the 128GB base model will start at $1,149 or 1,18,000 rupees, and guys, the 256GB model will start at around $1,249 and in India around 1,28,000 rupees, and guys, the 512GB version will start at $1,449, which in India is 1,49,000 rupees. So guys, as you saw that the price tag of every single iPhone is literally too much. Well guys, the base variant of the iPhone 12 4G starts at 61,000 rupees, or in short around $599, and the highest end variant, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 512GB configuration, goes up to $1,450 and in India around 1,50,000 rupees. So guys, I wanted to keep this video as small as possible so you can get the entire information without wasting your time. Well guys, I hope that this video was little bit helpful. And guys, if you want to have like this more amazing information, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.